Today I'm sharing my experience with the Gawfolk 27-inch curved QHD gaming monitor, and honestly, it's one of those upgrades you notice immediately. The 180 Hz refresh rate, paired with a 1 millisecond response time, makes everything feel incredibly fluid, whether you're deep into fast-paced games or just navigating your desktop. The 2560 x 1440 QHD resolution hits a great sweet spot, giving you sharp detail without demanding extreme hardware, and the 800R curve genuinely adds to immersion, especially during longer gaming sessions. Visually, it delivers strong color performance with full sRGB coverage, solid contrast, and vibrant detail that works well not only for gaming, but also for streaming and light creative work. Connectivity is flexible too, thanks to multiple HDMI and DisplayPort options, making it easy to switch between devices. I also appreciated the eye care features like flicker-free technology and low blue light, which helped reduce fatigue during late-night use. Brightness tops out at 250 nits, which is fine for most indoor setups, though very bright rooms might push its limits slightly. Overall, this monitor feels sleek, responsive, and well balanced for both gaming and everyday use, and it's an easy recommendation if you want smooth performance and immersive visuals without overspending.